Hello, welcome to this quick how-to video where I'm going to show you how to split external walls in Heatpunk to ensure that you're modelling the correct heat loss through different fabric types and different neighbouring properties or temperatures on the other side of your walls. So a good example of this is where we have an original property that is terraced or semi-detached, so part of the property has a party wall. So if I just click on my hall external wall here, we can see that's to an unheated space. But actually the back of this kitchen dining room has been extended, creating a single story section of the property that is no longer a party wall to the neighbour. If I click on my floor and ceiling section, I can see here that we have the original outlay of the building from the first floor, and we have an extended single story section at the back. We need to make sure we can model this correctly. So to start with, I'm going to click on the room where I need to make my external wall split. And I'm going to identify this little blue handle on the wall that I can just click on and drag. By doing so, I've created two different sections, and we can see by clicking on this new point that we've created, we have both sections here available. I'm going to enter the relevant length of the original wall, which in this case is 2 meters. And I can now see by clicking on this top section, I can check that this is the brick and plaster that I want. And that's currently modelling to the outside, which I don't want as this is a party wall. So I'm going to select unheated space. On this bottom section, however, this is an extension wall. So I'm going to select my extension wall with the correct U value, and I'm modelling that to the outside. While I'm here, just make sure that my other walls are modelling that. This one I also need to split, as this has two different wall types, even though they are both to outside on this case. I'm going to click on my wall, identify my little blue anchor point again, snap that to my previous split, which means I don't need to provide the measurements. I'm going to make sure that my walls are selected correctly, which that one is, except this bottom section needs to be changed to my extension wall. Now I have one room. Instead of having to create two rooms with different wall types, I can select two different wall types, or 3 or 4, within the same room, and allocate the correct material and the correct temperatures to be modelling on the other side.